Hey guys, imagine, what a disaster. Your tax refund is late, not because taxes are hard, because your documents are a disaster. Receipts in your camera roll, invoices buried in email, tax forms half-filled in some download folder. The real bottleneck isn't filing, it's collecting, organizing, verifying. Let me show you a cleaner system using Wondershare PDF element that turns tax chaos into a controlled workflow. Let's dive in. Different scenario. Let's say you run a small e-commerce store or side hustle. You've got shipping receipts, ad spend invoices, supplier bills, subscription fees. All year they stack up. On mobile, I open PDF Elements Receipt Assistant and scan a paper receipt. Instantly, it becomes a searchable PDF. The app automatically extracts merchant name, date, cost, taxes, no manual typing, no spreadsheet gymnastics later. All recognized data shows right there on screen. Every scan is saved into the cloud archive. Then I switch to desktop. Everything is synced. Cross-device workflow. Scan on the go, manage at your desk. Now here's the control part. On PC, I see all extracted fields from my receipts. If an ad spend amount looks wrong, I click that number and PDF Element jumps me back to the exact location on the original scanned document. Full traceability. I'm not guessing, I'm verifying. When I'm ready, I select all receipts and export the data into Excel. One clean spreadsheet with totals, expenses, tax amounts. Instead of building reports manually, I review and adjust. Next layer, actual tax forms. I open something like Form 1040 or Schedule C directly in PDF Element. I edit fields, correct numbers, fill missing sections. It behaves like a real document editor, not a locked PDF. If I've got multiple documents, supplier contracts, bank statements, tax forms, I use batch PDF processing to merge them into one organized file. One structured PDF instead of 10 messy attachments. Now the AI part. I use the AI assistant to summarize long financial documents or cross-check my tax form against my receipts. I can literally ask it to review my entries and highlight inconsistencies. It's not replacing a tax advisor, but it catches obvious errors before submission. You can also chat with your PDF to quickly understand sections you're unsure about. Before sending anything, I go to Protect and use Smart Redact. It automatically removes sensitive information like account numbers or personal IDs. Then I securely share the final version or archive it for records. So the workflow becomes simple. Scan with Receipt Assistant, auto-extract data, cloud archive and sync, verify by jumping back to the source, export to Excel, batch merge documents, edit tax PDFs directly, use AI Assistant to summarize and cross-check, Smart Redact before sharing. That's how you move from scattered paperwork to ready-to-send PDFs. Cleaner records, lower audit risk, faster refunds, and way less stress during taxes 2026 taxes. If you want a smarter tax season file system, try Wondershare PDF Element for free. Join the project, test it in your own workflow, subscribe for more productivity and AI tool breakdowns, and comment how you'd use it in your business.